and welcome back once again to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this 3D flower, and I am using this milk cotton yarn, and it can be purchased in my TikTok shop. I will put the link on the description below. So let's start now. So this is a 3D flower. This is how it looked like at the back. So we are going to start by making 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and make a slip stitch to lock this round, and we're going to make 15 double crochets into this hole. First make 2 chains and then make a double crochet into this hole. So make all in all, make 15 double crochet, including the first 2 chains that we have made. So 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are finished with the 15 double crochet. So we are going to lock this round by making a slip stitch. Make 2 chains, 1, 2, and then make a double crochet on the next hole and make 6 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then make a double crochet on the second hole. After that, make double crochet into the same hole. Make 6 chains again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make double crochet into the second hole, and then another double crochet on the same hole. Make 6 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Double crochet into the second hole, another double crochet into the same hole. So we will just repeat the process. So this is the end part of this round. We are going to make a slip stitch to lock this round into this hole. Make a slip stitch and make 2 chains, and then we are going to make 5 double crochet. So the first 2 chains is considered as 1 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and then make a slip stitch here. Then another 5 double crochet. So all in all, we're going to make 10 double crochet to complete our petal. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, after that, we're going to continue our double crochet into this part. We're going to make 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we're going to make a single crochet here, and then we're going to continue making double crochet on this part. And we're going to make 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then turn and continue making double crochet into this part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 double crochet, and then make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. And continue making 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then continue making double crochet into this part here. So make 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then make single crochet here, insert the hook here, and make a single crochet, and then turn. Continue making 6 double crochet here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then continue making double crochet to this part. Make 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Continue making double crochets. Make 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And continue making double crochet here. So we will just repeat the process until we finish this round. So to end this part, we are going to lock by making a slip stitch into the second hole of our first 2 chains. Now we're going to make the leaves. So to make the leaves, we're going to start from the center, from the middle of this petal. Pull the yarn and make a chain. So we're going to make 6 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then insert the hook to the next petal and make a single crochet. Then make another 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then to the next petal insert your hook, then make a single crochet and make 6 chains again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To the next petal, insert the hook in the middle, and then make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will just repeat the process until we finish this round. So after this, so we'll make a slip stitch here, and then make a single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1/2 double crochet, and then next is the double crochet, another double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, another double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So three double crochet. So 1 single crochet, 1/2 double crochet, and 3 double crochet. And the next is 1 treble crochet. 3, and make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and then slip stitch, and then make 1 treble crochet, make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and then 1/2 double crochet, and the last one is 1 single crochet to complete our petal. And the next is make 1 single crochet, 1/2 double crochet, make 3 double crochet, 3, 1 treble crochet, and then 3 chains, and then another 1 treble crochet, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and then 1/2 double crochet and 1 single crochet. So we will just repeat the process until we have finished the leaves of our 3D flower. So to end this round, we're going to make a slip stitch, and we're done. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and please share it to your friends. See you next time. Bye.